Hi, and welcome to day 8 of our October Make With Me project. This month's project is a Crochet Stitches Sampler Welcome Mat. We have practiced 7 stitches so far. If this is your first video that you're seeing this, welcome. I'm excited you're here. If you're interested in learning how to make this welcome mat, you can find all the videos that I've made up to this point in the Make With Me section, and you can see how to make the first sections. If you're just here to see how to do the basket weave stitch, hi, I'm glad you found this video and I hope you find it helpful. But let's go ahead and get started. I switched my color back to the light gray, so changing colors for me counted as my first chain 1. And I'm going to chain another so that I have a chain 2. And we are first going to begin by making a row of double crochets. This is the back side of our work that we're going to work on first. With this basket weave stitch, it doesn't matter if it's on the front or the back, both sides will look the same. And so we do not have to worry about a front and back side for this. But let's go ahead and begin by making double crochets all the way across the row into each stitch, with ending on a total of 66 double crochets for this first row. I'll meet you guys at the end of the row. Here I am at the end of row 1 for this section. Stitch 65 and 66. Okay, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and now we're going to begin the basket weave. We're going to begin this first stitch with a single crochet. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make a front post double crochet. So if you look at your double crochet, you can see there's this post that you make. And we are calling, this is what we mean when we say post. So to make a double front post double crochet, we are going to yarn over and we are going to insert our hook behind that post so that the post comes in front of our hook. Yarn over, pull through, and then finish your double crochet. And you can see how it makes this stitch stand out in the front. And that's what a front post double crochet will do. So we want to make a total of 4 front post double crochets. So we made 1. Now we'll make our next one. Pull through 2, run over, pull through 2. There's 2 front post double crochets. Now we're ready for our third one. And our fourth one. So you should have 4 front post double crochets. And now we are going to make 4 back post double crochets. So yarn over. For front post, we insert our hook kind of behind it. Now we are going to take our hook. I angle mine down, and we want to come in front of that post. So once again, yarn over, I kind of angle my hook down, come in front of that post. Yarn over, sorry, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like a typical double crochet. So once again, we're going to make 4 back post double crochets. So we made 1, There's our second back post double crochet. Sometimes with your back post you have to really look and make sure you don't go around the same post twice. There's 3 back post double crochets. And 4. So you can see the difference. Your front posts stick out towards the front and your back post ones will stick towards the back. We're going to repeat this pattern of 4 front post double crochets and 4 back post double crochets all the way across our row. I will meet you guys at the end of this row. I'm going to I'm going to finish row 2 with a single crochet in the last stitch, and that is row 2 of the basket weave. You can kind of already see the pattern beginning to form. So we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. We'll make a single crochet in the first stitch, and just like row 2, we will do 4 front post double crochets followed by 4 back post double crochets all the way across this row. So I'll do the first 8 stitches with you guys. So there's 1 front post double, oops, 2 front post doubles, 3, and 4. And now we're ready for our 4 back post double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so once again, you'll just repeat that across the row. 4 front post double crochets followed by 4 back post double crochets. I will see you guys at the end of this row. Alright, here I am at the end of the row. I'm going to finish with a single crochet in the last stitch. Woo! Like so. And that should be what your piece looks like at the end of that row. We are now going to reverse the front post with the double, or with the back post, so that way we can get that weaving look. So let's chain 1 and do a single crochet in the first stitch. Now the last 2 rows we have started with a front post double crochet. We are now going to begin with a back post double crochet. So I'm going to make 4 back post double crochets around these first 4 posts. It might be a little tricky this row. This is sometimes kind of tricky. Your brain might be thinking, no, I should do a front. And sometimes it's just a little tricky to do this first row where you change it up. But once you get used to it, you get a flow, it gets easier. So there are the first 4 back post treble crochets. You can see how it changed it up a little bit. Now I'm going to do 4 front post double crochets. And there you go, you can see how it kind of starts to look like a weave now. So we are going to repeat that across the row. 4 back post double crochets followed by 4 front post double crochets. We will finish the row with a single crochet, and then you will do the next row by repeating this row, beginning with a single crochet, 4 back post double crochets, and 4 front post double crochets. I will meet you guys at the end of this section. And this is what it should look like when you're finished with your basket weave section. Typically, if you're doing this, you could do 4 rows of the front post double followed by 4 rows of the back post. We did 2 rows and 2 rows just so that we could have more space on our rug for other stitches. But if you were working on a project, you might want to do 4 rows and 4 rows, and that would look a little more full. But there you go, this is a fun stitch to use on projects. I hope you guys like this tutorial and make with me. I will see you guys tomorrow where I will show you how to make a treble crochet. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.